All right, good afternoon, folks. Me and Gene here. Day 4. As you see in your screen, the car has been primed. My father woke up this morning. He DA'd the entire back portion of the car again because of the weather that was bad yesterday. It was raining heavy, so with the humidity he was worried about the rust resurfacing, so he primed it. He's DA sanded all around as a secondary precaution to make sure that the rust doesn't reappear or pop. But this primer, nothing pops up. So right now it's all clean, as you can see, very clean. So now, since it's clean, now my dad could do the body work, since you can see all the imperfections. You see over here, this is someone's side swiped or credit card swiped it at one point. Got a little pit hose, that's natural. As I was saying before the camera shut off, it has natural pit holes, not too bad, solid, very solid. Pockets are nice, a little chewing over there in the edge, but not bad. Easily repairable. Door is pretty clean. You got a little scratch over here, dent. There's dent over here, holes over here. Original trim. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put that back. Dad wouldn't like that because it contributes to rust. You know, water getting in there. I like the trim. We'll see. Still gotta clean in here. Not yet though. Still smells a little funky, but floor looks like they murdered someone on here with all this rust. Anyway, inside we're not doing anything yet. We gotta clean these door edges here. All right, so I'm gonna go concentrate here. This is what I did yesterday. You can see, pretty clean. It's on bare metal. It's sturdy metal, but it's bare metal. You can see over here too. Got a couple of edges I gotta hit. But overall, she's pretty solid, pretty clean. So I'm gonna hit her again over here. Make sure that there's no rust. Take as much rust as I can off. And yeah, go to town. And you know, prime it. Did this yesterday too. Still gotta go a little more. Those edges I gotta go hit a little more. The machine doesn't reach there. Hit the firewall a little more as well. We already did half the firewall from here to here. Gonna go here to there. Same thing. All this section gotta be hit today. Right all the way here. Since we gotta get rid of the old primer. All right. Just gonna show you a before and after. This is for my own personal record. And for anyone who enjoys my videos. Okay. Got your K-frame. All right. I just have a personal recording of the car. Everything's all solid, no hits. So we're gonna go to work. All right. See you guys later. It's on. Here goes me and Gene. Hello, how you doing? All right, we're looking at the floors of the 67 right now. My father's gonna go and
we're gonna cut right over here and replace this part. We're not gonna replace these parts because these parts are still good. They're still solid. They just got surface rust. We can just scrape all this out, seal it and prime it. But this part right here, as you guys see, this is all gone. But look what we got. We got a brand new floor, but we're not gonna use the whole floor. We're just gonna use what we need just to replace this piece here. and we'll save the part for future, another dart or this one or something else that we might use it for another mold part. But for now, we're just gonna cut this piece and we're gonna replace it. And it's gonna look really nice.
All right, there you go.
The rest is fine. The rest just it's got surface rust. It could be all cleaned out, primer and paint, but that's the only hole right there, and that should be a quick replace. We're just gonna cut it out, cut this piece out, replace it, and it's gonna look like new.
Yeah, when it's primed and painted, you won't notice the difference.
There you go. It's gonna be a nice daily drive.
Yes,
all
sir.
Right? Enjoy the video.
All right, see you guys. That's our mission. That's our plan. See ya. All right, adding this up. We're still working on the front, as I said. We've done the whole front end here. I've still got a couple of sections to clean up. We're doing in here as well. Still got to clean up here. There's some little touch-ups here and there, but so far, still a solid car. Nice solid dart. Everything's all clean. Got to clean all these edges here. And yeah, we should be almost done. We did this yesterday. Today's day 4. My father's in there, Johnny Dobson. He's cleaning up the floors at the moment. Not going to show you that. So yep, I'm going to go back to work because the weather is close to 95 or 100 today. And the time, I think it's like 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So yeah, we're still going on this dart right now, trying to get her quickly cleaned up. So I may have to order a couple of things so it doesn't hold me back. But right now we're going good. We're going one step at a time. And yeah, that's the way she is right now. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll see you later. All right. Okay. All right, recording again. My father already cut her off the floor. Johnny Dotson cut off the floor of my dart, which is located here. See, the original floor was original. Now it's garbage. And now he told me just to clean up the frame, try to protect it, clean it, grease it, and yeah, so he could come in and weld the new floor. As for me, I'm still doing cleaning, disinfecting, and cleaning certain areas that I can't get to with the machine, so I'm doing it by hand. You know, like in these edges over here. Trying to. I could remove the pump if I wanted to, but I don't want to jump into too much work since we have a lot of work. You know, so I'd rather just keep everything the way it is right now. So yeah, I'm not gonna look for more headaches unless it really needed to be taken off. Well, for now, I'm working pretty good. Everything clean. Still got to clean in there more. This is day 4 of the darts. So far, so good. It's only been 4 days. And yeah, that's about it. So I'm going to go back to work. I'm going to still clean. Let me clean up this frame real quick. And I'll get back to you soon. All right, another short video down. All right, see ya. Can I zoom in? No, I can't. Hey folks, how you doing? Me and Gene. We decided to quit because the air quality is pretty bad. The sun is pure orange, as you can see. Behind that tree right there, right here, where my index finger is, the sun is like an orange Duracell battery. Right now we pushed the car back in. My dad helped me out. He pushed it in with me. She looks nice and clean in the garage with the Datsun. So now we're in competition. How fast we can get this car done. Still didn't prime the front like my father wanted to, because I gotta hit a couple more spots, but I think by tomorrow she should be good. I'm gonna try my best to clean up whatever little corners here and there, but I think we mostly 80% done, 90%. All right, me and Gene here. We're quitting today early because of the sun. As you can see, it's bright orange like a Duracell battery. The air is very foggy, very thick, hazy. We're just retired. My dad did the whole back today. He spray sanded it again, made sure there's no rust, and painted. Primed, so it should be protected. First time seeing this car primed in years, a clean prime. And then I had to get underneath there to clean that the tunnel where we keep the drive shaft. So yeah, that's it for today. That's it folks. All right, good night and see you in the next one.